Hi everyone, I come to you today with a very big smile. As you can see, I'm one of the happiest creatures I think on the planet. Why? Because I just made 46 years of life. 23rd September was my birthday, and I want to appreciate all my friends that gave me gifts from the UK, Beth, Namara from the UK, my friends in Canada, my friends in Uganda, in the US and in the USA, and all over the world. I got messages in the mail. I got messages in my WhatsApp, and of course, many people put me as a profile picture on their WhatsApp. Yes, I take that to be another gift. People gave me money to go and celebrate, buy something for dinner, and yeah. Timothy in Uganda, the RJM Ministry, River Jordan Ministries Church in Ottawa. Each and every one of you, Aunt Robina, I can't mention each and every one of you, but I want to say that as I looked through every gift, it was really nice and refreshing for me just to know that people celebrate me and love my music, and they are walking with me this journey of life, that I'm not alone. But as I look deep on the inside of me, looking at the challenges, the victories, the battles I've won, the battles I've fought, the battles I've lost, the joys and the pains, I realized the best gift that you can have as a person or as a human being is your life. There will never be another you. There will never be another person to duplicate. You are you. You are unique. Your voice is unique. Your personality, your eyes, your nose.